I wanted to show something off here real quick that I'm proud of. If you saw my last video, you know what I'm talking about. Anyway, this is my study. Of course, I have computers all over my house, but this is where I do bill paying and, you know, house stuff, like business. I keep a lot of cool stuff up on display in here, and I have, you know, some stuff that is in storage and, you know. But anyway, this is like my little office. And I have a Mac Pro 4.1 down here that I use for some internal server stuff. And you might remember my last video where I was saying that I had a Mac Mini that died, a 2014 Mac Mini, and I was trying to replace it. Well, here it is. It's my very first ever trash can Mac Pro, and it is so cool. I'm configuring it now. I just wiped the drive, and I used the Open Core Legacy Patcher to put Sequoia on it. And it's got 32 gigs of RAM. It's the quad core, 3.7 gigahertz, I believe, 512 gig SSD. And what's just so cool to me is the I/O. And it lights up, and it automatically lights up when you turn it around. See how it lit up when it detects movement. All the I/O lights up in the back. So if I were to turn off the overhead light here, I got what I believe to be, anyway, a really good deal. That's so cool. I got to what I believe to be a really good deal. That says HDR focus, HDMI. I'm in the middle of configuring it right now. But that's not the only treat that came in the mail today. So let's go to the next one before I finish installing Office and configuring. I have mentioned several times before, RetroTechChris, who is a good friend to me and has donated a lot of cool stuff, including 2 Tandy CM-11 monitors. And this one had a broken tab, so I have to have the door taped on. Other than that, the monitor is beautiful. So is the other one. Anyway, he said he found something and was sending to me. He found another door that's in better shape. I need to clean it a little bit. But this one looks like this one's been repaired and is in better shape than the other one is. So I will be putting that on this monitor. And once again, I just want to say thank you very much, Chris. And I have some more announcements, hopefully, that will be in the future with something really cool for this entire future of the channel. I hope everybody's having a good week. And we'll see you on the next one. Say goodnight, Rupert. Say goodnight, Grace.